So if you've got any weddings or occasions that you're going to and you don't know what to do with your hair, this is a great one to try. It's literally ponytails and it looks amazing. Let me show you. So because it's occasion hair, we're going to do a tiny bit of back comb at the front. Just want that little bit of lift so it doesn't all kind of fall all flat from the front, okay? I'm literally just taking these front sections, putting a little bit of spray in. I'm using like a texture spray and I don't want loads of volume. Just a little bit of lift. And then I'm going to create a little bit of volume on the crown. Again, I don't want loads of lift because it's just not kind of the look that we're going for now. So just taking this section, pushing down a few times and probably doing that twice more. So next you're going to decide what bits you want to leave out. So take a slice of hair from the crown and you're just going to pop in a little elastic. And then holding on, just create a little bit of texture, just so it doesn't sit like super flat to the head. Take a small section from this side. Again, don't kind of grab a whole big bit like that. You're almost bringing it down in like a sort of diagonal sort of sweep. I've got extensions in as well at the minute, so I really want to make sure that I don't kind of like show the extensions, so just letting that piece sweep. And a section of hair from the left. Again, you're going to pop in another elastic, so you're left with that, and then what you're going to do is just hold on to it and you're going to flip this ponytail through there, so like so. Hold on to that elastic again and we're just going to create some volume at the centre. So you're just grabbing a section from the side, just kind of letting it flow back, and then the same on this side, and then same here, so I'm just letting that hair flow backwards. And you're just combining those together, putting an elastic in, and we're going to do our flip. Going to grab hold of the centre of the flip and just almost pull it upwards, and then you're going to kind of wide all the way down, so as I get to the nape of the neck I just want to make sure that it stays that kind of width. So that's just pulling on these side bits here and the centre. And then once I've got to a point where I feel like my arms are going to die, I'm going to bring it round the shoulder. So literally just getting those strands still, but I'm going to kind of direct the style over my shoulder. One, because I like the look, and two, my arms were dying trying to do it behind my back. Combining them together, putting that elastic in, and then you're going to flip. I'm just sort of picking out some little bits that I might just want to leave out. I'm just going to pull through that little, one of the little bits of tail here. I'm going to just pull it from the back to the front, and it just helps disguise that last little elastic that you put in. So this is what it looks like from the front, and then I'm just going to do a little turn for you so you can see what it looks like from the back and the side. And that is it. A few little elastics, a little bit of spray, and you have your summer occasion hair.